doors. Track out too loud, they don't need no one. Keep my weed, I need my drugs. Got 2 shells, gotta feed my son. Soon as my feet hit streets, I run. Run through weed every week by tons. I'm a street game by my tongue. I know when it's happening, that's where I'm from. Been running ever since I was young. Got my teachers, I wouldn't be none. I turn Sunday for money. In the trap, Monday to Sunday. Clientele steady pumping. Draco shit is what we dumping. I'm familiar with junkies. See my face and they come running. Instagram dogs from Compton. I snatched them up out my comments. Gun regular clips ain't enough. If you told the Glock put a drum in it. Trying to catch up to me, there's gonna be a whole lot of running. Eyes in my river mirror, I'm on point, won't go for nothing. Got 20 shots left for me.
Come on.
I shot the whole Draco not to talk about he back like he working for Apple. They pull the 6 up in the Sprite, I pull 8 in the snapper. If I catch it up out by myself, I'ma spray him without him. Smoke back to back in the Audi. We got the barley clouded. Roxy's to sleep, we slammed him out after we took him in. He was clubbing with the other side, we had the cookies. We just shook they block in the LFX, but we had Texas tag. Dropped this then hit it up, so we burnt up the jag. And my hood treat me like baby folk. Hate to stir your but grin and keep calling me. In the chopper, his back for who following me. In these streets, it's either get ain't no nigga swallowing me.
Come on, mama.
Money for money. In the trap, Monday to Sunday.
Come on.
Still steady pumping. Draco shit is what we dumping. I'm familiar with junkies. See my face and they come running. Instagram dogs from Compton. I snatched them up out my comments. Gun regular clips ain't enough. If you told the Glock put a drum in it. Trying to catch up to me, there's gonna be a whole lot of running. Eyes in my river mirror, I'm on point, won't go for nothing. Got 20 shots left up in the case, thought I shot the whole 100. See somebody got to have it. Took your chain before I grabbed it. Bitch is block in the caddy. These F&N's black and plastic. It's Gladys raised the savage. They said I shoot like my dad. Spent 38 racks to fix my smile and went there to cut the ass. Ain't 38 racks to fix my grill. 1080 or 2. Please talking about us selling down, but I'm fucking her crew. We 75 4 pockets full choppers and residue. We certified like the truth. It's 30 baby and poop. Sunday in the summer, everybody with a bike show out. This bike, as far as you can see, hold the bike back, straight up, like the hands of a clock when they hit midnight. What's that? That's Midnight Click. They got the best bikes, the best tricks, the best riders, the splits. Midnight Click legend. So that's who you want to be down with then? Well, bet you $50. My bike is the best one out of all of us, bro. Last year I was just Mouse. This year I'm finna be MNC Mouse. And nobody gonna stop me.
Click ain't gonna respect you till you pull up on the bike. This ain't a charity, but you can rebuild it if you want to earn it.
What about my friends though?
Omar the director.
Come here. Come here. All right, go. Go, mama.
Hey, fuck 13, we ripped that murder game, we don't do no attempt. Hop out on the slammer with this chopper like I'm Sean Kemp. Drew down on him with his pants down in front of you of him. 10-17 shots to gang, I got them four like who is him. Bitch, you try me and get whacked, I promise this is not the way. No, she wanna fuck cause she keeps stirring in my Cartier. I think about guns and money 60 times throughout the day. Nobody save you, can't go get shit to stop these 308s.
Chain like Cedric had that codeine in my beverage way back in day. Let them niggas use me for lyrics. F on my report card on my hip, I got an infinite. Put up on me popping, but he won't pull up and pop again. I don't care about who he is or who he can, just doing me. Cold dog, who they doing me? I just shot off his chin. Murder case, Snoop Dogg. Back in the day, no juice and gin. I'm the coach, I'm with the ghost. We go for it on 4th and 10. I was the robber, well we stay so I done played with him. Police don't even try to talk to walk, got nothing to say. 5 shot, 38 on me, put a tray to him. Big dog in the yard, might took a nigga trade from him.
Fuck up till we rip that murder gang, we don't do no attempt. Hop out on the slammer with this chopper like I'm Sean Kemp. Drew down on him with his pants down in front of you of him. 10, 17 shots the gang, I got them four like who is him. Bitch, you try me and get whacked, I promise this is not the way. No, she wanna fuck cause she keeps stirring in my Cartier. I think about guns and money 60 times throughout the day. Nobody save you, can't go get shit to stop these 308s. Niggas thought they slept the whole time, something to eat in they face. Look at that little nigga from the creek, his ass done made away. I ain't just go put food on the table, I passed out the plate. I'm missing tray, ain't nobody have me like my niggas day, it's time to slide. Why put 100 up in the chopper, I shot 85. Mr. Percocet with the exotic, I'm back in the jazz. Dude on us up in the cat drive like he got 9 lives. You ain't take them down with me, nigga, so you is not my talking out they neck, but that little shit won't slow me up. 2 double cup, big congratulations, time to pull me up. We rolling up, mixing different flavors, keep my wood stuck. If you got some dancing on your wrist, it's time to hold it up. Fuck until we rip that murder gang, we don't do no attempt. Hop out on the slammer with this chopper like I'm Sean Kemp. Drew down on him with his pants down in front of you of him. 10, 17 shots the gang, I got them four like who is him. Bitch, you try me and get whacked, I promise this is not the way. No, she wanna fuck cause she keeps stirring in my Cartier. I think about guns and money 60 times throughout the day. Nobody save you, can't go get shit to stop these 308s on God. Chopper gang, it's the G, this my squad. Lay up grass in your yard.
I got her. Come on. Hi. Get up here. Come on. I know we going downhill, but come on, get up here with me. Hi. Get us around this corner. Hi. Come on. We're going straight today. Come on. Hi. Come on. Pick us a little speed. Come on. Come on, nope.
Here's how we build our custom set.
Come here. All right, go. Go. Come here. Go. Come on, mama. Let's go. One went down. Ay. Ay. Come on. Ay. Come on. Come on. Ay. 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 Come on. Come on. Give it to me, ma. Give it to me. Ay. Pick it up. Ay. Ay. Come on, let's get it. Come on, I know you gotta pee. All right, come on. This is your pee. Come on, mama. Pick it up. Ay. You ready? Ay. Yeah. Come on. Uphill. Come on. Hold on. Sit. Sit like to take a little break. Sit. Come here. On this side, take a break. Come here. Sit right here. Sit down. Take a break. If your dog not breathing like this, that mean that mother did not work. Real work make real breathing. Just remember that. All right, come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, so we can go home. Come on. Come on. Hi, come on. Get us home. Get up here, lady. Come on. Pick it up a little bit. Like a motorcycle, look. Hold on. Come on, lady. Like a motorcycle, watch this. Go, lady. Come on, come on. Hold on. It's caught right here. Hold on, it's caught right there. There you go. You can go now. Come on. Come on. Like a motorcycle, look. Kick your feet up. Put it on the stand, and you're gone. Hi. Come on, wee button. Come on. Walk it out. Pick it up a little bit, lady. Cause you making the bike stop. Well, I wasn't really paying attention. Come on. Over this way, lady. Come on. Over that way. Come on. All right, yeah, goodbye. Come on, lady. Come on. Come on, we're going downhill, lady. Come on. You gotta pick up speed because the bike gonna pick up speed. Come on. Climbing that hill or something else. Shit, come on. That's hill work, what she just went through. See, she behind me. So that tell you, and I ain't pedaling, that we downhill. Downhill. The last one was an uphill. Only way you have a downhill is you got an uphill. Make it make sense. If you got a downhill, you gotta have an uphill. It's getting settled now. Come on, come on. Come on, pretty girl. Come on, pretty girl. Come on, daddy, pretty girl. You do it. You do it. Who's the prettiest dog in the world to me? You are. Who's the prettiest bitch in the world? You are, mama. You are, mama. I love you, mama. All right, take us back off. Take us back off. Downhill, bitch taking off. Fucking bike taking off. Come on, come on, come on. Come on. Come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on. Come on, baby. Uphill, we got to do another one. Come on, one more before we go in. I cut this video out. Come on, one more hill. Come on, one more hill. I put my foot down because shit, this is a nice steep little hill. And when the hill gets steep, I try to take some slack off of it. I'm like 168 pounds. Come on, come on. Let's get it. Let's get it. Come on, girl. Hiya, hiya, hiya. Here we go, here we go. I see you seeing the hill picking up. Downhill. Downhill. Real hill work. Real work. Come on, come on. People had treadmills with a scope on it. What is real life? They ain't doing nothing but running their own weight. Some people put their dogs on chains to make them stronger. Some people put them on treadmills to make them stronger. Some people do what I do, run them. Yeah, this is running. Working. Hiya, hiya, hiya. Hands picking up. Lady, I want to run into you, or you run into something. I'm trying to get you aside. Get you aside. 61 solid. 61 solid. want solid. Solid. Oh, solid means solid. Solid. That's a good looking bitch. 61 solid. Taper stomach. Goodbye, man. Y'all making me laugh at y'all. Still working. She come in and put her hours in. Come on, lady, this way. She come in and put her hours in. She clocking in, not on the chain, in your backyard. She's outside doing her work. Come on. Pulling around 68 pounds a person and 18 pounds a bike. That's a strong bitch. That's a strong bitch. I said 68 pounds, 168 pounds a person and 18 pounds a bike. Come on. Come on, lady. All right, y'all.